true or false and question and answers should be given. I hope last week I have explained about the lesson, the magic pot. Hope you are all understood and enjoyed the story. In the story, they said that we should not boast ourselves. So I'll play a video clip of the question and answers and the true or false. Go through the videos, then it will be easier for you to understand the video clipping. So I want to explain once again about the lesson of this magic pot, that there was a woodcutter and saw
English.
four eggshells.
English. 2, 3. The mag. 3. The mag. 3. The magic pot. 3. The magic
Reading.
pot.
Anything which does not happen in a natural way is called magic. Can magic make us prosperous? Read and enjoy this story. Once upon a time, there lived a poor woodcutter called Subhadatta in Patliputra. One day, then I will gladly work for you, my masters, said Shubhadatta happily. One of them smiled and said, "We know that. Take this pot." And he gave Shubhadatta a beautiful pot. Shubhadatta took the pot and went home. His wife and children were very happy to see him back. At last, Shubhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. He brought the pot out and said, "See, the Yakshas gave me this magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want." Reading comprehension 1. Write true or false for each sentence.
So in this way, Akshas gave the magic pot to the Shubhadatta, but he doesn't stop boasting in front of the neighbors and friends that because of his work hard, the Akshas gave the pot. And then he lost the pot and he was unhappy, and he went again to look for the Yakshas in the forest, but he did not see them again. So in the same way, you have to remember the story and write the true or false in this sentences given. First of all, the four Yakshas saw Subhadatta in beautiful silk clothes and shining jewelry. The four Yakshas saw Subhadatta. No, this is not correct. This should be the false, because the Yakshas were in beautiful silk clothes and shining jewelry, not Shubhadatta. So write this one as false. Okay, children, make it correct as this should be false. Okay, the Yakshas wanted to help Shubhadatta. That is true. So all the other which I am writing is correct, but first one is false. Write it in the textbook in the same way. Shubhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. That is true. Shubhadatta worked with the Yakshas for 6 months. False. They repented for his folly for breaking the pot. That is true. And Shubhadatta went looking for the Yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. That is also true. Going for the next.
Answer the following questions. 1. Who was Shubhadatta? Answer. Shubhadatta was a woodcutter in the city of Patliputra. 2. Why did Shubhadatta's legs tremble with fear? Answer. Shubhadatta thought, if they get angry with me, they will curse me. Therefore, his legs trembled with fear. 3. Why did Shubhadatta go with the Yakshas? Answer. Shubhadatta went with the Yakshas because he wanted to get riches by helping them. 4. What reward did the Yakshas give Shubhadatta for his hard work? Answer. He got magic pot as reward for his hard work from the Yakshas. 5. Describe what happened during the fest. Answer. The neighbor were curious and kept on asking from where he got the money to buy the good food served in the party. He did not reply for some time. At last, he could not stop himself boasting. He brought the pot out and said, "See, the Yakshas gave me the magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want." Shubhadatta started dancing with the pot in his hand, and then the pot slipped from his hand and broke into pieces.
This is all about the question and answers. Pause the video. I'll be repeatedly saying you to pause the video and write the question and answers neatly in the notebook. Okay, children, make the heading, write the true or false, make the question and answers. Pause the video. Once again, I'm repeating. Pause
Reading
the video while
comprehension
writing the
2.
question and
Reading
answers.
comprehension 2. 1. Does the story have a moral? If so, write it. Answer. The moral of this story is do not boost. 2. Why do you think Shubhadatta could not see Yakshas again? Answer. Shubhadatta could not see Yakshas again. Shubhadatta could not take care of their reward, the magic pot which was given to him to remove his poverty. It was an insult to Yaksha's feelings for him. That is why Shubhadatta could not see them again. 3. Suppose you got the magic pot of the Yakshas, what would you do for its safety?
So, if you get the magic pot from the Yakshas, what do you like to do for its safety? This is the question. So you have to think that that magic pot is given to you, and you have to write the answer on your own, thinking that you are Shubhadatta. What you do for its safety? Okay, children, recollect what you can do and write it in the answer. I hope you all will do this. So this is the last of the question answers and also today's work. Write neatly the question and answers given in the textbook. So I am going to end up this video now. Okay, you write this answer on your own. Take care, stay home.